Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn how to organize our Gmail like professionals. Your Gmail inbox should not look like a crime scene. Hundreds of unread emails, promotions from 2019, random OTPs, work emails buried under shopping receipts. If opening your Gmail gives you anxiety, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your Gmail like a complete professional, clean, simple, and stress-free. And by the end of this video, your inbox will feel less like chaos and more like a personal assistant. Now, let's start with section 1. First things first, we need to declutter. Go to your Gmail, search for unsubscribe, promotion, or even old brands you never open anymore. Now, what you need to do is bulk delete the emails you don't need. Then unsubscribe from anything that steals your attention without adding value. Listen, your inbox is a digital real estate. Stop renting space to nonsense. Now let's move to section 2. We are going to use labels like folders. One thing professionals do differently is they use labels. In Gmail, labels work like smart folders. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to create labels like work, clients, finance, family, school, receipts, important, those labels. Now, instead of scrolling endlessly, everything has a home. Code your labels too. Now, you are going to assign colors to each label so that they will be distinct and organized properly. When you're looking for anything, you know what color fits what. It makes Gmail looks cleaner and helps your brain process information faster. Moving to section 3, let's create filters. This is the game changer in every mail. This is where Gmail becomes powerful. Filters automatically organize emails for you. For example, every email that comes from your boss automatically goes into your work label. Bank alerts straight to your finance. Shopping receipts straight to archived automatically. To create a filter, now what you need to do is open an email, click the 3 dots at the top. Now select filter messages like this. Create the filter. Now Gmail does the sorting while you sleep. That is not organization anymore. That is automation. Now let's move to section 4, where we will master the star system. So most people ignore the star feature, which is a big mistake. Use stars for urgent tasks. Here is a simple method. Yellow star means urgent. Blue star means waiting for reply. Red star means follow-up needed. So now your inbox becomes a task manager and suddenly you stop forgetting important emails. Now let's see section 5. Use the 2-minute rule. If an email takes less than 2 minutes to answer, reply immediately. Don't let tiny tasks pile up into mental clutter. This one habit alone will make your inbox feel lighter and less cluttered. Now, section 6, how to turn multiple inboxes into drawers. This feature makes Gmail look elite. With multiple inboxes, you can separate unread emails, start emails, important emails, draft, and so on, all on one screen. To activate it, now let's go to settings, then we click on inbox, then we go to multiple inboxes. This is especially useful if you work remotely or run a business or manage clients. Now moving on to section 7. Archive more, delete less. Here's something most people don't realize. You don't need to keep every email in your inbox. Archive it. Archived messages are still searchable, but they disappear from your main inbox. So your inbox stays clean without losing important information. In section 8, we are going to use keyboard shortcuts for speed. If you really want to feel like a Gmail ninja, turn on keyboard shortcuts. Now, how do you do that? You go to settings, you see all settings, and then you go to keyboard shortcuts on. Now you can press E to archive, press R to reply, or press # to delete. It saves a shocking amount of time. Now, an organized Gmail is more than aesthetics. It reduces stress, improves focus, and honestly makes you feel more in control of your life. So today, take 15 minutes, clean your inbox, create labels, set filters. Future you will thank you.